couple weeks since I was out in the garage working on the first gen 4Runner. In the last video, I was able to get the Chevy 63 swap done for the most part. I still have quite a bit of things that I need to get taken care of. I need to get the truck back up on jack stands, pull the rear axle out, cut a couple of those old brackets off of the axle, and then hopefully get them relocated to the driver's side. That way my anti-wrap link will work out in this truck. Start figuring out cross members, where that link is gonna live. I need to figure out shock mounts. I'm still kind of at a standstill with shocks because I don't exactly know what I'm gonna do just yet. I am contemplating cutting holes in the floor of the bed and mounting the shock towers up into the bed so they're a little bit higher, and I'm able to use these 14-inch Bilsteins. I haven't quite decided on that one just yet, so I'll leave shocks for a little bit later. I have a ton of work to do. It's super cold. I need to pull this truck back apart, get this axle out of here, and start cleaning it up. All right, just got the axle pulled out to show you guys basically what I'm dealing with right now. This axle, it's from an 01 first gen Tacoma, and my main dilemma with this axle is that the anti-wrap is on the wrong side. That's where I'm at. I am going to grab the angle grinder, start chopping off some brackets, hopefully salvage these. I don't exactly know how good of condition they'll be in once I chop them all off. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get to it, start cutting some stuff up, and get this axle all cleaned up. So just finished cleaning up all this extra material that was left over from the old shock mounts, as well as cut this nice little notch down here. Reason being is when the shock is mounted in this mount, there is no chance of them hitting the shock mount at all. It gives me a ton of extra clearance. Next on my list would obviously be getting the anti-wrap brackets back on the axle and then figuring out shock mounts on the truck. I am gonna do outboard shock mounts. I was originally gonna do like a triangulation setup, but the axle that I have is already set up for outboard. It might change later on down the road, not really sure, but none of the parts for the outboard shock mounts are here. Hopefully it'll be here within the next couple days. For the meantime, I'm gonna pull the front axle over here, get that cleaned up, make sure that's all nice and pretty. That thing's pretty much already built and ready to go, so I don't have to do a whole lot to it, but I'm gonna go ahead and paint it while it's out of the truck. Finish getting the rear axle cleaned up and ready to weld some brackets on it whenever this stuff shows up in the mail. Okay, so I just spent the last hour or two cleaning up and painting the frame rail on the back end of the truck, and then went ahead and did some rubberized coating in the wheel wells. That's one step closer to the back end being done. I'm currently waiting on some parts to show up in the mail. I ordered some Heims, a couple more shock mounts. I gotta go buy some DOM tubing so I can make this anti-wrap link. So yeah, still have a couple things to tie up in the rear end, but I'm waiting on parts like always. And then basically the goal for today, while we're waiting on parts, is to get the axles cleaned up. The front axle should be pretty much good to go, except for this bracket right here never got boxed in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. And then from there, I'll clean this axle up, get it painted black again. I'm contemplating painting all of my links purple, but not 100% set on that. If you guys have any recommendations on what color you think I should do, like an accent color on this truck, definitely let me know in the comments. I am not going to leave it red, so it's going to turn some other color. I don't know. Let me know what you guys want to see. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and keep getting stuff cleaned up, get this axle painted. I might go ahead and paint the fuel tank as well and the fuel tank skid. Basically everything that I have the means to work on today, I'm going to try to get cleaned and painted. So when I get parts, I can finish the shocks and throw the whole rear end of the truck back together. That's the goal for today. I'm going to keep moving and getting these axles cleaned up. It has been a fairly productive morning. Doesn't seem like much, but this is going to be super helpful once parts start rolling in. I'll be able to just start slapping this thing together, and the rear end of the truck should go together fairly quickly. I still have a little bit of work to do on the rear axle. Front axle is pretty much done. I think I'm happy with the purple. I went ahead and did the shackles in the rear purple as well. I'll probably do the anti-wrap link purple. That'll probably be all the purple this truck needs. Have some more stuff on the 3rd gen coming, and then obviously waiting on parts for the 1st gen. So as soon as that stuff comes in, we'll be getting the rear end of this truck finished up, and then move on to the front where we'll be starting the 3-link. Definitely stay tuned for all that. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe and follow along for more. Thanks for being patient with me. I know that I'm all over the place with the 1st gen, but doing what I can. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you next weekend.